What are the basic rules of Irish grammar? Have you ever wondered how the Irish language works? Understanding the basic rules of Irish grammar can make your journey through Ireland even more enjoyable. Irish, also known as Irish Gaelic, has its own unique structure that sets it apart from English. Let's break down some of the essential rules that will help you navigate this beautiful language. First, Irish uses a verb-subject-object-word order. This means that the verb comes first in a sentence. For example, in English, we say the dog eats the food. In Irish, it becomes dithin and madra and bia, where dithin means eats, and madra means the dog, and bia means the food. Next, let's talk about grammatical gender. In Irish, every noun is either masculine or feminine. This does not always align with the biological gender of the noun. For instance, Colleen, which means girl, is feminine, while Capal, meaning horse, is masculine. When it comes to verbs, they change from based on tense. Irish has three main tenses: present, past, and future. For example, from the future tense, you often add specific endings to the verb root. If the verb has slender vowels like e or I, you might add idh to the end. Adjectives in Irish follow the nouns they describe. So instead of saying good car, you would say car ma, where ma means good. This structure is quite different from English and can take some getting used to. Another interesting aspect of Irish is that there are no words for yes or no. Instead, when someone asks a question, you respond by repeating the verb in either its positive or negative form. For example, if someone asks, Ar ithan madra and bia, meaning did the dog eat the food? You would answer dith, meaning yes, it ate, or neoraith, meaning no, it didn't eat. Lastly, Irish has two forms of the verb to be. The verb be is used for states of being, while the copula is used for identification and classification. Each has specific contexts where it is appropriate to use. By grasping these basic rules of Irish grammar, you will find it easier to communicate while traveling in Ireland. You will also gain a deeper appreciation for the rich culture and history embedded in the Irish language. So, whether you are ordering a meal or chatting with locals, these rules will help you navigate the language with confidence.